You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 560 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Rearrange the coefficients. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 10 over 7x from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 80 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 7 over negative 3. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals negative 560 over 3.